You want to know how to make a Chaga coffee? I'll show you this morning. Here's my Chaga, already all brewed. Here's my coffee cup. Here's my Nescafe coffee, actually espresso. Here's my hazelnut cream. You can use whatever you want. If you don't use cream or sugar, that's fine too. Get my little ladle. Put my coffee in. I'm sorry, my Chaga in. There's my Chaga. Here's my coffee. I'll just put a little bit. Like that much is good for me. And then I put a little bit of cream. This is hazelnut. Then I'm going to stir this bad boy. I don't have a spoon right here with me, so I'm going to use a knife. There you go. You can add anything else you want to it. You could add some sugar if you wanted to. I would add cane sugar. Or whatever you like. And there you go. There is your morning Chaga coffee. That's all there is to it. Because Chaga really has no smell or taste. It can be manipulated and changed very easily. So that, my friends, is your morning Chaga coffee. I'll probably put some lion's mane in this one too.